This is Damac Hills 2. Let me show you one beautiful townhouse with 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Please follow me. So this is the kitchen. Look at these beautiful green doors with golden details and some wooden space for your work. Everything is included, even coffee. So this is the fridge. Previously here was the maid's room, but now it's combined with kitchen. We have a special bathroom here as well. If we go further, we can see a spacious living room. Look how beautiful it is. This beautiful wall print is also in the theme of Oasis or the jungle. A huge dining table for approximately 8 people. This is the sofa of natural leather, which is worth 20k dirham. Armchairs with some jungle notes. You have all the leaf plants there and even vinyl player, which is so authentic. This is the barbecue zone, and there is one surprise. The single row townhouse that you don't have any neighbors in front, only beautiful sands and even camels, because there is the camel farm. So if we go further, we can see this storage with appliances, only Dyson. Here is the guest toilet. So let's go upstairs and see 5 bedrooms, which are here on 3 floors. By the way, the build-up area is 233 meters and the plot size is 175 meters. So this is the first bedroom. You see all natural colors and materials. Even the curtains are from linen. Very beautiful. So this is the view that I mentioned. The view is now even better. So this is the first bathroom, the real bath. This is the second bedroom with the same beautiful view. Everything is here, all the furniture is included and the built-in wardrobes. So this is very special room. By the way, here you can put something like a sofa or a table. Here we have, let's say, the kids' room, or it could be the relaxation room or room for study, any purpose you want. Very beautiful gray, deep gray color. We are on the 3rd floor and the view is even better here. And this is something special. You have your own retreat room in your townhouse. So here you can do yoga, any gymnastics, and the view from this room, to my mind, is really spectacular. And as the owner told, we can see the camels, the real camels, which are walking here. So here is the bathroom. And this is also very nice room, which could be as your home office. Look, it's also made with all natural materials. Very nice, very beautiful. Here you have access to the terrace and the view of Damac Hills 2 on the sunset.